Hello everyone and welcome back to BTB Computing. Now I know it's been a while, um, but I haven't been doing nothing this entire time. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick kind of vlog update on what's been going on. So as you can see over here on the text, is that's this side? No, over there. Uh, I now have an assembly language, and this is the SPI bootloader that I wrote. The assembler is written in Forth, which I wrote on my computer. Like I said in the update video, that's what I was going to do. And so now I have it. And yeah, this is the program that loads from EEPROM. And if you want to see the more crazier thing that I'm working with, oh, you know what? This might have messed up. Oh, it's kind of okay. Well, that's not as okay. Right, so over here, let me get this. So, okay, whatever. But yeah, this is it. But what I've been working on recently is this. So this is the TFT console assembly code for Forth, and here is what I've made it on Forth for the system. As you can see, this code base is quite large. There isn't really much chance of me typing this in by hand, so that's why I made an SPI EEPROM bootloader, and I can download the EEPROM bootloader to I wrote the loader onto propeller chip, and then it transfers it over to the SPI. Anyways, let me just show you an example program of what I've done. This isn't what the code does now, but I was just about getting ready to test it with what I've got, but I had something pretty cool earlier, so let me just get that loaded. Yeah, it's this way. Anyways, oh, what am I doing? It's already loaded. Silly me. So how I'm doing this right now is I've got the monitor still, and that's what I use to load and boot into everything. So I just gotta set up some parameters here real quick. 0200 0008 0001. That's the load point is 100. And then 00. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. 20. Yeah. And then 00. That's the EEPROM address, and that should be good to go. If we just execute 8300. Oh, whoops, no, 000. Right, that's the address, but then we want the first SPI. Should be loaded now, so if we just execute at 1. And there you go. So this is one of the assembly programs I wrote, and it just runs. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'll go into a deeper dive once I get Forth done. But that's where the project is right now. So until next time, see y'all later. Bye.